Let's have a think about the letter G. So we form G from C, and it's about halfway between the lines. So it's lift and round and bump, up to touch, dive straight down, then curve around. Here are some of the things to watch out for. First of all, if you come down too quickly and then come up, you might get gapping, right, where they don't meet. That happens if we don't do the lift and round first. We need to lift and round before we come up. Another thing, if you don't come over and if you go down too quickly, is that you might realise and then try and come up to touch, which means you end up with a very narrow G. G is a diver, and often the diving tail of G can get out of hand. So if we do our lovely starting point but then we don't keep control, it can get very messy and it can crash into other letters on the line below. With this one, what's happened is that when you get down to the line, that's when it's starting to come around, rather than coming straight down to dive and then around. Can you see the difference? And in this one, it's come away rather than retracing down and around. So just to recap, it's lift and round and bump, up to touch, dive straight down, then curve around. Have a think, have a chat, and then have a practice.